So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, which is now going to take us to here. And now once you're on this, you want to click on troubleshoot and then reset this PC. If you don't have your important files backed up, you want to click on keep my files. If you do have your files backed up, you want to click on remove everything. I'm going to click on remove everything. You can now choose either cloud download or local reinstall. I'm going to go with a local reinstall. There are two options here, just remove my files or fully clean the drive. If you fully clean the drive, this is more secure and makes it harder to recover files. I would use this option if you're going to sell your computer. If you're not going to sell your computer, you can go with just remove my files. For me personally, I usually go with fully clean the drive, however this might take hours. So choose what you want. And now once we're here, it's going to tell you what's going to happen. So resetting will do all of this. If you're fine with this and you want to continue, you want to click on reset. It's now going to reset your computer back to factory settings. That's how you do it.